Trending at usap-usapan nga ngayon ang paghingi ng tawad ng Chooks to Go company kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Dahil nga nung time na nahuli siya, ginamit yung mukha niya na may dalang lechon manok. 'Di ba? Wala namang ginawa sa kanila si Pastor Kibuloy. Tapos, nag-post naman itong si Isra Ilito Torion, ang abogado ni Pastor Kibuloy. Apology accepted, Chooks to Go, Pastor C. Kibuloy. Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy. So, ito yung buong detalye ng Chooks to Go company na paghingi ng tawad kay Pastor. At Chooks to Go, we have always stood for promoting positive Filipino values and uplifting the community through donation, support for disadvantaged group, sponsorship of national teams as well as individuals, athletes who bring pride to the country. We acknowledge that a recent social media post has caused concern among some in the community. This content does not reflect the views and values of the company and its management. It was created by our consulting social media marketing team during a leadership transition following the retirement of our president, and was uploaded without full management consent or approval. Regardless, we take responsibility and apologize to the offended members of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ and Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy. It was not our intention to upset or hurt anyone. Rest assured that the company is looking into their matter closely, and we are taking steps in strengthening our review process so we can prevent similar incidents from happening in the future. Moving forward, Chooks to Go will do better para sa bayan. Yan ang buong pahayag ng Chooks to Go. Sana na po kasi kita nyo naman yung ginawa nyo. Dapat hindi na kayo nakisali sa politika. Kasi nandyan na kayo sa negosyo. Dapat pinag-igihan nyo. Diba? So, ang importante dito is humingi ng tawad itong Chooks to Go at apology accepted ni Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy. Sino ba naman siya na hindi marunong magpatawad? Ang Panginoon nga ay nagpapatawad. Siya pa na anak ng Diyos. So yun lang mga kamaritis ko. Comment down kayo dyan kung ano ang inyong naging pahayag. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Kung bago pa lang kayo dito sa ating channel, please hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi or ma-notify kayo sa ating mga latest trending dito sa Showbiz Caridad Official TV. Hanggang sa muli. Thank you so much.